Welcome to Native English Vibes, where I share simple tips to help you improve your English language. If you like the channel, subscribe now and click the bell icon.
Squeeze. Squeeze the lemon to extract its juice. Crush. Crush. Please be careful not to crush the delicate flowers. Whisk. Whisk. Whisk the eggs until they are frothy. Sift. Sift. Sift the flour to remove any lumps. Wring. Wring. Wring out the towel before hanging it to dry. Crumple. Crumple. He crumpled the pepper and threw it in the trash. Grate. Grate. Grate some cheese to sprinkle on top of the pasta. Press. Press. Can you press the button for me? Knead. Knead. The baker kneaded the dough until it became smooth.